So this is the bottle of water, and this is the air conditioning where we're gonna put this bottle of water. Currently the temperature of this water is around room temperature, so we're gonna check in an hour or two whether its temperature has dropped or not. Right, so I've managed to put the bottle in place. The air conditioning is at 20 degrees, and we're gonna check in a little while and see the temperature of it. Okay guys, it's been around 2 to 3 hours, and now we're gonna shut off the AC. So now that the AC has shut off, I'm gonna quickly remove the bottle. Alrighty, now everything is off. The AC has been turned off and I have removed this. Okay, so it's definitely a lot cooler. It's like you have taken it out from the refrigerator. So this experiment was just to see if it freezes or not, and it's quite we can see that it didn't freeze, but it did cool very much. So that's the experiment. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.